Now we measure the density of a cork using measuring cylinder. Now the situation is totally different because cork cannot sink into a liquid. Okay, so to measure the density of such solids we need a sinker. Sinker is an object that forcefully sink the cork into the liquid. Okay, so this measurement also involves two steps. In step number 1 we measure the mass of the cork, and this measurement is same as we have discussed earlier. Using the beam balance we measure the mass of the cork, okay, and say it is m. Now in step number 2 we measure volume of the cork, and the volume measurement also has 3 steps. In the first step we take a certain volume of liquid in a measuring cylinder. Okay, say the volume of the liquid is V1. Now in the second step we immerse the sinker into the liquid, and due to which the liquid level rises up, and the new volume of the liquid is V2. Okay, now here V2 minus V1 is the volume of the sinker. Okay, so V2 minus V1 is the volume of sinker. Okay, now attach the cork to the string and immerse this combination into the liquid. When you do so, then the liquid level rises up, and say the new volume is V3. Okay, now here V3 minus V2 is the volume of the cork. Okay, so here V3 minus V2 is the volume of the cork. Okay, now we have volume of the cork, and we have mass of the cork. Then we can find the density by using the formula D is equals to mass upon volume of the cork. Okay, consider the mass of the cork is 3 gram. The volume of the liquid in the cylinder is 30 ml. When the sinker is immersed in the liquid, the volume is 50 ml. The volume of the liquid, okay, is 50 ml. Now when we immerse cork and sinker together, then the volume becomes 65 ml. Okay, 65 ml. Then the volume of the cork is 65 minus 50, okay, which is equals to 15 ml. Now put the values. Mass is 3 gram divided by volume is 15 ml, and 15 ml can be written as 15 centimeter cubed. Okay, so we can write 15 centimeter cubed. Now this ratio turns into 0.2 gram per centimeter cubed. Okay, so 0.2 is the density of the cork. Okay, 0.2 gram per centimeter cubed is the density of the cork.